afternoon, tutor and partners. The question selected for me is the number two. Why do you want to work for this company? To be honest, I like the focus in this company. I'm really impressed with your ambitious goals and the form that you get goals. I observe the operational security plan very interesting. I'm agreeing with the use of the clean technologies in this company. I like the support that you provide to your employees. When the company pays for education and gives new techniques and skills, I watch that the company really cares for their employees. This is very important for me because this helps to our individual growth and as company. Thanks for listening to me. Bye.